Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach a bed frame. First, carefully unpack all your bed frame components and lay them out. Take a moment to identify each piece and compare it to your instruction manual's parts list. Next, organize all the hardware like bolts, washers, and nuts into separate piles. Finally, gather any necessary tools, such as an Allen wrench or a Phillips head screwdriver, to ensure a smooth assembly process. Now, let's connect the side rails. Take one side rail and align its connection points with the corresponding holes on your headboard. Insert the appropriate bolts through these holes, making sure to add any specified washers before securely tightening the nuts. You might only hand tighten them initially. Repeat this exact step for the other side rail, connecting it to the headboard, and then for both side rails connecting to the footboard. With the main frame assembled, it's time to add stability. If your frame includes center support beams or legs, attach them now following the manufacturer's guide. These supports are crucial for mattress longevity and frame integrity. Next, carefully place the bed slats across the width of the side rails, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Secure each slat using the provided screws or clips to prevent shifting and create a sturdy foundation for your mattress. For the final steps, go back and thoroughly tighten every single bolt and connection point on your bed frame. This ensures maximum stability and prevents any wobbling or squeaking. Give the frame a gentle shake to confirm it feels solid and level on your floor. Once you are confident in its sturdiness, you can carefully place your box spring, if needed, and then your mattress onto the newly assembled bed frame. Enjoy your new, securely attached bed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.